VPNs are a necessary evil used by everyone. VPN failures. Complicated to deploy and maintain. Endless hours addressing subnet collisions, route table changes, access control lists, and more. Can't connect to multiple networks at once. Expensive. Overprivileged access to the entire subnet. Creates external attack surface with a public IP address. Replace VPNs with zero trust network connectivity. Remote it is a next-generation access as a platform solution. Remote its benefits over VPNs. Connect to multiple networks at once. Eliminate manual network configuration. Grant zero trust access to services, not subnets. Eliminate external attack surfaces by removing private resources from being scanned on the public internet. Work in complex networks such as multiple NAT or CGNAT. Programmatically deploy in Docker containers. For more information and to start for free, visit www.remote.it/benefits.